everyone, welcome back to my channel, All Things Nikki Nicole. I hope you all are having a great day on today. And if you are interested in the details on this hair, check out my other video. I just filmed it right before this video because I didn't know I was going to get both of my packages on the same day from Luvme Hair. One I purchased and this one they sent to me, so they are sponsoring this video right here. They sent me their flaming orange Fingerwave Pixie wig. And y'all, without further ado, let's get into the box. All right, y'all, here she is. It came with some freebies as well. You got your wig cap, their standard card that has their return and refund policy, and some goodies in this pouch. Let's see. All right, y'all. Comes with their hair wrap, their Luvme hair wrap. Sorry, I can't get it out. A comb, their Luvme hair clip, an adjustable strap, some tweezers, and some bobby pins, and that's it. All right, y'all. Okay. So I'm nervous because this is not a color that I would normally wear, but in the spirit of having a YouTube channel, I'm stepping out into the colors, trying to bring more colors to my wig game, okay? So Luvme Hair sent me this wig, and let's get into it. Okay, let me take this out. All right, y'all. I'm nerve-skited. I'm nervous and excited, okay? All right, y'all. Oh my God. All right, let's get into her. So this is their orange Fingerwave Pixie. It is on their site for $79.90, I believe. Let's get into the details of it. It's a full cap wig. Full cap wig. It doesn't have a parting space. It has two combs in the front, or kind of off to the sides, and it has a comb in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. So let me get those strapped down, and y'all, I'm about to pop it on. Are y'all scared for me? Again, this is not a color that I would normally choose for myself, but I'm gonna step outside the box and let's see what happens. Okay, all right, let's pop it on. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. And if you also look on my channel, I did review the Nuna wig. It was kind of like a finger wave wig as well. And y'all, this is just it straight out of the box. Okay. I think I want the part over just, it has like a little subtle part, but no parting space, because you can't really see it. Okay, y'all. What y'all think? Yeah, I got a big head, so let's see. Let's see. Let's get into this orange Pixie. Okay. I mean, it's not bad. It's just, it's a bright color. Look, you definitely are going to be the center of attention. I just want to fluff it out just a little bit. You could leave the finger waves in it, but I want to style it to me, to my liking. I want to give you guys a 360 of it. Hope I got it straight down in the back so you can see it. Okay. Y'all see it? All right, y'all. Let me get into styling it. Okay. We're going to style her. We're going to get it right. Again, you have like a small little part. You can't really do too much right here, I don't believe, unless you want to like pluck some hairs from it and then put like some powder. But I don't know if you could really tell, but that's up to you and your choosing. So let me try to style her for y'all, okay? To my taste. Okay, y'all, so I did decide to finish blow drying her off camera. I just kept these little clips in. These are just like some duck clips from the beauty supply store. And I just put those in between each wave to kind of hold the wave down while I was blow drying it, because I did wet it a little bit to get more of the curl action in there, or the finger wave action. So I'll give you guys a 360. This is my left side here. This is the back. Like I'm sliding over. This is the right side. Okay, and you can play around with her for sure. Like, you know, style her to your liking. Style her to your vibe. I want to try her with a hat. So this is just a regular fedora. Because we are into fall, child. Why not wear it with a hat? Okay? Why not wear it with a hat? Or a cute little scarf. I have another hat here. It's a tan one. And these just hats I got from Amazon. But what y'all think about the orange Pixie with a hat? I kind of like that, y'all. Alrighty, so thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and as always, more to come. Thank you.